A simple recipe that feels like home, crafted patiently. Hi, I am Atasham, a proud Pakistani culinary artist, and today we are revisiting a classic. Let's make chocolate cake. Grab a big bowl, add in a cup of flour and a cup of sugar, a teaspoon of baking powder with a pinch of salt, and with half cup of cocoa powder, dry ingredients comes to an end. Give this a quick little mix until airy, giving your cake a delicate lighter crumb. Now in goes your wet ingredient. 1 egg, half cup melted butter, and half a cup of milk. And our secret ingredient, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda along with 2 to 3 drops of vinegar. The batter should look glossy and cohesive, not overmixed. Line a small cake pan with baking paper. This trick makes the process a little helpful. Pour in your cake batter. And tap the pan twice to remove any air bubbles from it. Bake at 220 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. Now let's prepare the chocolate ganache. 200 grams of compound chocolate, a mixture of dark and milky one. Both should be of equal quantities. Mix in 200 grams of cream to it and melt your chocolate over a double boiler or in microwave. After all the components are combined well, add in 2 tablespoons of salted butter. Cool your ganache down until it gets to a spreadable consistency. Now line your edges with a cake platter, a tip and trick to finish things off neatly. Cut the crown of the cake, flip it and cut it. Now soak your cake with a shower of milk. And here goes your silky ganache. Spread it over the cake evenly. And here comes the top layer. Soak the top layer with milk again. And finish it off with your silky, smooth ganache. Let it cool completely until the moisture locks in. Remove the lining of the platter. A cake that feels like crafted peacefully and shared with warmth. Chocolate cake, from story to the plate.